Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the last class, we have discussed about algebraic expressions and completed exercise 8.1. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from algebraic expressions. Let's move on to the topic. Next, we shall discuss exercise problems. First problem from exercise 8.2. The birth dates of Raj and Ritu are the same, but Ritu is 5 years older. Option A, if Raj is 15 years old, how old is Ritu? Option B, if Raj is 3 years old, how old is Ritu? Option C, if Ritu is 2 years old, how old is Raj? What is given? Given the birth dates of Raj and Ritu are same. Ritu is 5 years old. Ritu is 5 years old means Ritu's age is 5 years more than Raj's age. Given Raj is 15 years. Given Raj is 15 years. So what's the age of Ritu? Ritu's age is 5 years more than Raj's age. Okay, so 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5, 20. So 20 years old. How old is Ritu? So 20 years old means 15 plus 5. The next option B, if Raj is 3 years old, how old is Ritu? We already discussed Ritu's age is 5 years more than Raj's age. So Raj is 3 years old. How old is Ritu? Ritu's age is P plus 5 years. P plus 5 years old. Then option C, if Ritu is 2 years old, how old is Raj? Ritu's age is 5 years more than Raj's age. So Raj's age is 5 years less than Ritu's age. Raj's age is 5 years less than Ritu's age. So the age of Raj is 2 minus 5 years old. Next, question number 2. A fruit seller is selling bags of oranges. In every bag, there are 5 oranges. Complete the table. Number of bags and total number of oranges are given. How to complete? Number of bags. It's 1 bag, 5 oranges. 2 bag, 10 oranges. That means 5 into 2, 10 oranges. Then 3 bag, 3 into 5, 15. 4 bags, 4 into 5, 20. 5 bags, 5 into 5, 25. So 1 bag, 5 oranges. 2 bag, 10. 10 means 5 into 2. Then 3 bags, 15. 15 means 5 into 3. 4 bags, 20. 5 into 4. 5 bags, 25. Then if 15 bags of oranges were sold, how many oranges were there in total? 15 bags of oranges were sold. Okay. So we have to find out the next number 6. 6 bags, 30. 7 bags, 35. 8 bags, 40. 9 bags, 45. 10 bags, 50. 11 bags, 55. 12 bags, 60. 13 bags, 65. 14 bags, 70. 15 bags, 75. So there are 75 oranges in all. Option B, if the fruit seller has K oranges, how many bags can he possibly pick? If the fruit seller has K oranges, 5 oranges in 1 bag, okay, then 10 oranges in 2 bags. That means 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 10 oranges means 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by is 2. Then 15 means 15 divided by 5, 3. 15 divided by 5, 3. Then 20 divided by 15 divided by 3, 5. Etc. etc. 20 divided by 5, 4. Etc. etc. Given the fruit seller has k oranges. So how many bags can be possibly paid? So k by 5 bags. K by 5 bags. Then option C, how many bags can the fruit seller possibly pack if he has a stock of 400 oranges? How many bags can the fruit seller possibly pack if he has a stock of 400 oranges? So there are 400 oranges. Okay. So we have to find out the number of bags. K oranges means K by 5 bags. So 400 oranges means 400 divided by 5. 400 divided by 5 can cancel. 5 and 400. 8 5s are 40. 1 0. So 80 bags. So 400 oranges are there in 80 bags. Next we shall discuss simplifying algebraic expressions. Consider the expression 5x plus 6. A term that is only a number is called constant term. The term that is only a number is called constant term. Here the variable means letters. X is the variable and 5 is the coefficient. Here the coefficient of the variable is 5. So 5 is the coefficient. Next we shall discuss like and unlike terms. When terms have the same variables and if the powers of the variables are same, then they are called like. When terms have the same variables and if the powers of the variables are same. For example, 5x and 2x. In 5x and 2x, the variables are same, x. And the powers means 5x, x raised to 1. Here the power 2x raised to 1. So the variable and powers are same. So 5x and 2x are like terms. Then unlike terms. Unlike terms means, here the example 7x and 3y. Here the variables are different. First variable x and second variable y. So 7x and 3y are unlike terms. 5x and 2x are like terms. Next, we shall discuss exercise problems. First problem from exercise 8.3. Simplify the following expressions. Option A, 4p plus 2p. You have to add 4p and 2p. Here 4p and 2p, they are like terms. Why? Here the variable is p. The variables are same. Okay. So 4p plus 2p is equal to 6p. 4p plus 2p. Here the variables are same. So you have to add the numbers. 4 plus 2, 6. 6p. The next option C. 3n plus 2n plus n. How many terms are there? 1 first term, second term, third term. 3 terms are there. Here the variables are same. So these are all like terms. And 3n plus 2n plus n. First you add the numbers 3, 2 and 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6, here the variable is n. So 6n. The next option D, x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Here 5 terms are there and the variables are same. So like terms, and here the coefficient of x is 1. So 1x plus 1x plus 1x plus 1x plus 1x. So 5x. Next question number 2. Simplify the following expressions. Option B, 12x minus x minus 4x. 3 terms are there. They are all like terms. Here the variable is same. So you have to subtract 12x minus x. 12x minus 1x. 12x minus 1x, 11x. Then 11x minus 4x. 11x minus 4x, 7x. Then option C, 2m minus m plus 5m. 3 terms, the variables are same, all are like terms. So 2m minus m, that means 2m minus 1m. 2m minus 1m, m, 1m. 1m plus 5m, 6m. 2m minus 1m, 1m. 1m plus 5m, 6m. And option D, 11k minus 7k minus 4k. 3 terms are there, the variables are same, so all are like terms. 11k minus 7k. 11 minus 7, 4. So 4k. 4k minus 4k. 4k minus 4k, 0. In question number 3, simplify the following expressions. Option B, 15 plus y minus 5. Here 3 terms are there. The first term is a constant term. Second and third is like terms, same variable. So add these numbers. First one you have to write the same number, same constant term, 15. Then you have to add plus y and minus y. Plus y minus y, 0. So 15 plus 0, the answer is 15. Then option C, 7a minus 2a minus 3. 3 terms are there. First 2 terms are like terms. The third term is a constant term. So I have to add 7a minus 2a. 7a minus 2a, 5a. Then write the constant term minus 3, including sign, minus 3. Then option D, 13 plus 3x minus x. 3 terms are there. The first one is a constant term, the number only. The second and third term is a like terms, same variable. So the answer first you have to write the constant term. 13 plus 3x minus x. 3x minus x, 3x minus 1x, 2x. Fourth question, determine if the following expressions are equivalent. You have to find out the values of following expressions. After that, you have to find out they are equivalent or not. What is equivalent? Equivalent fractions. When 2 expressions have the same value, then the expressions are called equivalent expressions. When 2 expressions have the same value. Okay, you have to find out. Option B, 3x plus 5 minus x plus 2. How to find out the value? 3x plus 5 minus x plus 2. 4 terms are there. First you rearrange the terms. 3x, then minus 3x, then minus x. Then write the constant terms. Plus 5 plus 2. 3x minus x plus 5 plus 2. Then 3x minus x. 3x minus x means 3x minus 1x. 2x. 5 plus 2, 7. So the value of the first expression is 2x plus 7. The second expression, 7x plus 10 minus 5x minus 3. 4 terms are there. 2 terms are like terms and 2 terms are constant terms. First you have to arrange the terms. 7x, then minus 5x plus 10 minus 3 is equal to 7x and 5x are like terms. So 7x minus 5x, 2x. 10 minus 3 plus 7. The value of the second expression is 2x plus 7. The first value is 2x plus 7 and the second value is 2x plus 7. So the two expressions have the same value. So the expressions are equivalent. They are equivalent. Next, option C, 8 plus 5y minus 6 minus y and 8y plus 9 minus 5y minus 7. First one, 4 terms are there, 2 constant terms and 2 like terms. You have to arrange the terms. First 5y, then minus y, then constant terms plus 8 minus 6. 5y and y are like terms. Now we have to add 5y minus y, 4y. Then 8 and minus 6 are constant terms. 8 minus 6 plus 2. So the value of the first expression is 4y plus 2. Then the next one, you have to arrange the terms. First you have to write 8y, then minus 5y, then constant terms plus 9, then minus 7. 8y and 5y are like terms. So 8y minus 5y, 3y. 8 minus 5, 3. Then 9 minus 7, 2. So the value of the second expression is 3y plus 2. The first expression, the value is 4y plus 2. Second expression, 3y plus 2. So they are different. They are not same. They are different. So the expressions are not equivalent. Not equivalent. In option D, 5t plus 9 minus t minus 6 plus 2t and 11t plus 11 minus 7 minus 5t. Okay, you have to find out these expressions are equivalent or not. First, you have to arrange the terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. 3 terms are like terms and 2 terms are constant terms. To arrange 5t, then minus t plus 2t. Then constant terms plus 9 minus 6 plus 9 minus 6 is equal to 5t minus t and 2t are like terms. So you have to add 5t minus t, 5t minus 1t, 4t. 4t plus 2t, 6t. Then plus 9 minus 6, 3. So the value of the first expression is 6t plus 3. The second expression, how many times? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Fourth term. 4 terms are there. I have to arrange the first like terms. 11t minus 5t. Then constant term 11 minus 7 is equal to. These are like terms. So subtracting 11t minus 5t. 11 minus 5, 6, 6t. 11 minus 7 plus 4. The value of the second expression is 6t plus 4. The first is 6t plus 3. The second is 6t plus 4. They are different. They are not same. So, the expressions are not equivalent. Today, we have completed exercise 8.2 and exercise 8.3. And also completed chapter 8, Introduction to Algebra. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.